and to investigations in the Patna blasts. Now more details have emerged that confirm the hand of the Indian Mujahideen in these serial blasts. The Jharkhand police has confirmed that Imtiaz Ansari, who has been held, was given explosives by Tehseen Akhtar, who is now being seen as the mastermind behind the Patna serial blasts.
You could say that it is more or less established, primarily because he did say something about his connections with a person called Tehseen. And Tehseen is a known operative of the IM, and he was one of the accused of the Hyderabad bomb blast, in fact a principal accused, and also principal accused in the Varanasi bomb blast. So that just about seals it up as far as Tehseen is concerned. That leaves about 4 of the other accused, who are all from the city or village in Jharkhand, Ranchi. So that makes 5. There is probably a 6th. We are homing in on that. It could be a person again from Ranchi. So as of now, we are on the track of 4 of these, because 2 are accounted for. 2 are arrested in Patna. 1 is critically injured, one of them, and that leaves 4. Those are the 4 who we are searching for. And, we are on the job of interrogating Ansari, Imtiaz, and NIA is on the job, Patna police is on the job, Jharkhand police is on the job. The team of Jharkhand police is right now, as we stand here, interrogating Imtiaz. But it will be early days to make a conclusive decision that he is already a steeply indoctrinated person who was working for long. As of now, the indications are that he is a comparatively new entrant vis-a-vis Tehseen and probably others like Bhatkal and others. Certainly not in their league. But it does not augur well for Jharkhand and other states nearby, because this is probably the first homegrown module inside Jharkhand, which was totally homegrown. Totally, they built it ground up here within a village on the outskirts of Ranchi. So that is a matter of concern. Otherwise, I do not think, given the professionalism that they have displayed, given the kind of the caliber of the IDs that went off, and the kind of preparation they had done, this was, I think, not the best result that they would have expected, probably because of inexperience. As of now, whatever I can reveal, this much is very clear, that the rally was the target. The rally was the target. The idea was to create some kind of a possible stampede, get into the crowd, trigger off the blasts, get people killed, and then the snowballing effect of that resulting into a possible very bad case stampede, which could mean multiple deaths. I think that was the original idea, and as a byproduct of that, anything would have happened. So we would like to think that the idea was to hit the rally prima facie, and the byproducts would have kind of probably been to their advantage. But luckily, it has not happened. We lost lives, but certainly this could have been much worse.